Tonight we follow fresh bun from 2 a.m. to your lunch bowl.
Chào em. This is where Hanoi wakes up.
Good bun starts with patient hands, not shortcuts. Everything here runs on rhythm and memory. Listen, Hanoi's breakfast begins as a whisper.
A small room feeding a big city.
That sound? It's the village heartbeat.
From grain to cloud in seconds. No measuring cups, no measurements, just experience. Smoothness is earned, one strain at a time. While the city sleeps, the batter settles.
Not too thin, not too heavy, just right.
Steam everywhere, so they keep the space clear.
This is the hottest corner of the night. One swirl, perfectly even. Watch it go from white to glassy. If you hesitate, it tears. Stack by stack, like pages of a hot book. Now the sheets become noodles.
First cascade. Always satisfying. Soft, springy, never sticky.
They don't rush. Speed arrives naturally.
A quick rinse keeps every strand distinct. Fresh bun smells clean, like warm rice.
This is the dance of the noodles. Portion like little white clouds.
Every gram matters for the morning orders. Tied tight, so it rides safely through the city.
In minutes, these crates become breakfast.
Outside, Hanoi is starting to stir. Fresh bun travels by two wheels. Mơn nhé.
No fuss, just trust built over years.
Let's chase where these noodles end up.
Still dark, but the food supply chain is awake.
Every bump, tested, expected.
Warmth still trapped inside. freshness intact.
First stop, where bun meets smoke and charcoal. From Fudo to the bowl, same night, same city.
This moon won't wait for sunrise.
Look how it breathes. Light, not dense.
Now the city gets its signature smell.
That first sizzle, Hanoi's alarm clock.
Two textures, one bowl, one story. No timer, just instinct and smoke. The dip has to wake you up. Sweet, sour, salty, then charcoal hits.
Herbs make the bowl feel alive.
By sunrise, these seats will vanish. This is Hanoi in 3 parts.
One bite, sweet smoke, clean rice.
That chew is the whole point.
Ăn tại chỗ hay mang về?
No hype, just locals who know.
Fast hands, gentle noodles.
And somewhere else, another bowl is waiting.
Quest 2. Bún riêu, bright and comforting.
It's all in the calm simmer.
Sambun, new personality.
Soft riêu melts into the soup.
Hot broth, instant comfort.
You season it your way.
Tangy, savory, then the rice sweetness.
This bowl feels like a soft reset.
Now we hunt the greens that make bun sing. Everything is fresher before 6.
Herbs should smell like a garden right now.
Thêm không? Simple, fast, no wasted motion.
A squeeze of lime changes everything.
In Hanoi, flavor is a conversation. Pay fast, keep the line moving.
That sound means service is near.
6 a.m. Hanoi is fully awake.
Every bowl gets the same care.
Everyone has their own perfect bite.
This smell is a Hanoi landmark.
After the rush, reset for tomorrow.
They finish right when you start eating.
This softness can't be faked.
Quest 3. A local only bún plate, locals guard.
If you know, bún đậu.
This is Hanoi's loudest quiet meal.
Same bún, now served like a platter.
Crisp tofu is non-negotiable.
This dip is a dare and a delight.
Sour, spicy, then the funk blooms.
Đây rồi.
A whole meal built for sharing.
Start small, then you'll go back in.
Strong dip, fresh herb, perfect balance.
That crunch is the real hook.
But how does it hold up by noon?
Next bowl, hot broth, clean rice noodles.
Quick heat, then straight to the bowl.
Even hot, it stays light. Hanoi loves clean, bright finishes.
Broth warms you, bún keeps it honest.
A cold trà đá, the perfect reset.
We've eaten bún 3 ways, one more to go.
Let's return before tonight is next batch.
Nguồn cung quyết định số lượng bát phở Hà Nội có được.
Clean tools, clean noodles. Simple rule. It's a loop. Every day, every night. Tight cloth, smooth sheets.
Tonight's finale is a full Hanoi bún feast.
Night bún hits different, deeper, warmer.
Same craft, same softness, hours later.
This is the payoff, warmth and chew.
Three styles, one origin, Fudo.
Rice, steam, hands, repeat.
For them, the day isn't really over.
And then, it begins again.
Back where we started, 2 a.m.
silk before it becomes thread.
Heat turns rice into something new. This is skill you can't rush.
City's next morning starts now.
From this alley, Hanoi eats.
Night deliveries, Hanoi's hidden bloodstream. These noodles reach you before the sun does.
Orders are counted in bundles.